ordered this oraimo necklace and AirPod, and it just arrived today. This is the receipt. So I'm coming to unbox it, doing the So guys, this is the oraimo item that I purchased, that I ordered on their online shop, and the products has just arrived this afternoon. And I actually ordered two items, that's the AirPod and the oraimo necklace, but I was interested in the necklace, so this is the unboxing of the necklace. Here I was supposed to open the seal, but I was trying to force the boss to open it. Then okay, now it's successfully out. So this is it. This is how the oraimo necklace Lite looks like. So yeah, I have to remove it from all the holes. This is actually nice because it has a lot of qualities that you want. It's very simple. Yeah, that's the manual. Now you see on the box, it has many qualities. It has a good bass. When you talk about noise cancellation in calls, it has a lot of qualities. And it has 365 days warranty. So you are fortunate to have that warranty in case of incasity. Because so that's it. I'm testing it on my neck. When you close it, it disconnects. Just disconnect it by just. Okay, so here is the charger. See where it is hidden, so that in case you buy one, you're going to find it. So that it's just a simple Type-C charger, very simple and small. It has additional ear protector, has the rubber case for any maybe if those one got spot or get lost, you can get one from here. They add it. So that's it. Okay, so I just finished unboxing the necklace Lite that I purchased from oraimo. Their delivery is so fast to the extent that if you order today, you can get it today. And even if you order within the weekend, by Monday, let's say you ordered on Friday, you can get it by Monday. And I ordered it within the weekend and got it on Tuesday. I think their delivery is so fast, and I love their products too, oraimo.